Happy birthday, Bijan! God bless you on your journey as a future Marine. Take care and keep safe. Bye. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Jan! Happy 20th birthday!
More birthdays to come.
God bless! See you soon!
Hi, Primo! Say hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito John. We miss you so much and thank you for spending time with us. And we miss you so much. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Uncle John. I love you. I love you so much. I hope you come back.
Happy 20th birthday, Bijan. As you step into this amazing new chapter, may you always walk in wisdom and truth. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and let Him lead your path. Surround yourself with wisdom, seek understanding, and commit your dreams to God. The best is yet to come. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jan. We miss you and we love you. I remember when you were a baby and your mom and dad went to the mall and I was the one taking care of you. I spilled the milk all over your face and up until now I still can't forget that. So yeah, you're a big boy now. I wish you all the best. You deserve all the best in life and that I hope that all your dreams will come true. And I also hope that you can still come back here and spend more time with us. That's all and take care always.
Hi Bijan, this is your Tita Lai from Japan. Bijan, happy birthday, happy 20th birthday. Pasensya ka na kung ang maririnig mo dito ay puro Tagalog lang kasi nakalimutan ko na talaga mag-English and I'm not fluent naman talaga sa English. Pasensya na for that. Anyway, gusto ko lang naman i-recall yung unang-unang pagkikita natin noong last 2016 nung nandiyan ako sa New York. Yun ang first met natin. Ang cute-cute mo pa noon, ang late-late mo pa noon, unlike nung nagpunta ka na rito, dito sa Japan last January. Super ibang-ibang Bijan na yung nakita ko. Ang laki ng katawan, ang tangkad na, ang gwapo. Super na-amaze ako. Yung ugali mo pati. Ibang-iba, alam mo at naramdam mo na napalaki ka ng maayos ng mga magulang mo. Kaya yan yung wish ko sa'yo, sana huwag mong kakalimutan yan. Anywhere you go, yung mga payo ng mga magulang mo, yan ang tatandaan mo lagi. And you will not be wrong. And thank you also dahil sa binigay mong pagmamahal din sa akin na tinatawag mo akong tita. And I can feel the love there. And I love you for that. Happy birthday.